Still can't get these things off of here, but they're what they are. Okay, now we can pull the bolts off here. 1/2 inch 12 point. They're a nice strong ratchet here, the long one. Once again, break them off about evenly. Be careful, don't bend the valves here. Okay, once you get them that far along, switch over to a little mini ratchet. That ratchet's being bent down like this as I'm doing it, so these curved ratchets do come in handy at times, but other times they're a pain in the ass. Short bolt. Long bolts. Get out of there. Okay, let's see what's been done to this motor. Not much. Stock compression. So this was the good running cylinder. I'll mirror finish the cross hatches. These are the stock Evo style heads. They're lightly relieved through here, but there's a little bit of a dome to it where Harley's straight. So there's not much to write home about here. Definitely got some springs and stuff in there. They're heavy duty. Other than that, not much is going on there. Alright, well that's one of them. And this one here looks okay. A wheelie there. So go ahead and pop the cylinder off, see what's going on with it. Gasket's well stuck on. There it goes. Appears to be good condition, not popped. Obviously we're not going to reuse it, but here's what it is. Piston doesn't look too bad. It's always a good idea to stuff a rag down here in case you get some broken piston rings falling out. Super mirror finish in there. Too awful bad. Pretty smooth though. Alright. Piston looks good. It's just a flat top though, so there's no compression to it. Got the good James base gaskets in there. Definitely got an S&S rod in it. Nice and loose. It's good. Like that part. And the piston doesn't have much wear on it all, so that means the lower end's good in it. Even though it shakes like a damn turd. Piston looks pretty new. It's a lot of blow-by, that's why it's all black past the top ring. Rings weren't doing a hell of a good job. Alright, it says a wire lock in there, you pop that off, the piston comes off. Same deal, you gotta make sure you keep a rag now. Definitely want a rag in there now because that clip will take off and go who knows where. A lot of times they are stainless, they're not magnetic. We'll lose them in the motor. Okay, there's our super pick. Here's what I usually get in there with. And a flat blade screwdriver. There we go. Just kind of roll it out. Didn't bend it. See, it's still a nice circle shape. Can reuse it. And I do. Hopefully the pin will just pop through. Let's see, where's my tool at? One of them. Okay, I got my cut down wrist pin removing tool, called a socket, and it goes through. Good. So it comes out this direction. We'll go on the other side. Not coming out easy. Definitely tight. Not supposed to be quite that tight. Hard right to the end. S&S piston. Low compression. Looks like new though. Let's see if I got something better. Alright. Break anything so far. What we got going down here? Nice and loose like it's supposed to be. Definitely shakes like a turd though. Alright, we'll be back. Gotta do the other one.